Hi friends, this is Srinivas Reddy. In this video session, I'm going to explain what is bar charts and column charts. First of all, what is meant by charts? Chart means it's a graphical representation. If you want to visualize any kind of data, we are showing that inside the charts. Here we'll discuss about bar charts and column charts in this video session. Friends, you can see those images. First one is bar chart and the second one is column chart. These charts mainly will use for comparing numerical data across all categories. For example, we'll use this data like total sales by product type, and we'll see the population by different countries, and we'll check revenue by department, by quarter, and for different categories. By using these charts, well, represents the data like by monthly, yearly, quarterly, or else different various regions, zones, and some other categories. And here you have to see these two tips for this bar and column charts. One is we'll use stacked or clustered bar column to group by categories and subcategories for comparing multiple metrics. And the second pro tip is we'll create custom formatting rules to color code bars or columns based on their values. That means actually we'll select the data based on the categories, subcategories like by monthly and by genre, and we'll take the sales of totals by genre and totals by months, and we'll take different categories and subcategories by using this bar and column charts in the Excel 2019. By using this, we'll see how to visualize the data in the Excel. Friends, you can see some data, some example workbook here, that is bar and column charts sheet. In this there is a data. It's a 2019 ticket sales based on movie genre and months. You can find like total sales by months and total sales by genre. Say locate there in the 7th row. This is the data total sales by months, and in the nth column this is the data total sales by the genres like comedy, thriller, documentary, romance. Just I'm taking few example data here for practicing purpose. Now with this data we'll create bar and column charts. First of all, we'll create a chart. See here friends, if I'm selecting any cell inside the data, when I'm inserting any chart, we'll get the chart for the complete data. So that's why just I'm selecting outside. Otherwise you can select a few columns from this and go to the insert, go to the charts group, go to insert column or bar chart. You can select any chart. See, for the data we are getting the chart. Otherwise Ctrl J, just select outside. Now here I'm selecting a blank cell. If I'm selecting a blank cell outside the data, we'll insert a blank chart. Now I'm selecting outside. Just go to the charts group, inside the insert tab, go to the insert column or bar chart. Now we'll select any chart. For example, I'm selecting 2D bar chart. Locate there. Now here I need to add the data for this bar chart. Just right click on the chart, select data. There is option called add in the legend entries. Just click on add series name. Here just I need the data based on the genres. Now just will give a name for this. For example, I'm giving a name like sales by genre. Then series values, just remove this, select the values like I'm selecting these values, total values from N3 to N6, then say OK. Friends, you can observe by default in the axis we got the values like 1, 2, 3, 4. So instead of that, just I need to mention the genre names. Now go to the horizontal axis labels, click on edit, select these genres. Look at there friends, we got the genres in this axis. Next click on OK. Again click on OK. See here, just we got the values. Now just we'll design this x-axis and y-axis. Select this, go to the home tab, just will increase the font size, and here also just will take the bold, just will adjust the values also. Next select this sales by genre, just say bold. Now here also how you want to do format, you can do here. So just we created a bar chart by using sales by genre data. Now again we'll insert another chart that is called column chart. Select outside, then go to the insert tab, go to the charts group, go to insert column or bar chart. This time I'm selecting this today column. Now just place the chart here. We'll adjust this. Same like bar chart, right click on the chart, select data, add. So this time just I'm taking sales by months. Next series values, just will select this 7th row values, then say OK. Here also same, in the horizontal axis labels we got the numbers, so instead of that just I need the months. Go to the horizontal axis labels, click on edit, select the months from January to December, then say OK, then OK. So friends, we got the months and data. So based on the months just we got the sales, total sales. Now we'll do the formatting for this also. Select this, just go to the home tab, say bold, and here also so how you want you can do changes for this data. See like this we'll do all the changes. Now select this, just say bold friends. And if you want to do any formatting, just right click on this, you can click on format data series and you can increase and width is overlap, gap width, all the things. So just like this we'll insert bar chart and column chart. Friends, now we'll insert another chart. So in this chart we'll take genres as well as months. In the previously we discussed and we created only sales by genre and sales by month in two different charts. Like one is bar chart and other one is column chart. Now same thing, just go to the insert tab in the charts group, just select any chart. Here just right click, select data, add. The series name is sales by genre and months. Now we'll select the values here. The values are completely like from movie genre, months, complete information. Friends, look at there, just we got some error message. The reference is not valid. Reference for titles, values, sizes or data labels must be a single cell, row or column. That means when you are selecting like this, you need to select either row or column, not for complete multiple rows and columns. So it will not work out like this directly. So instead of that, just we'll go for individually. See, just add series name, comedy, then series values, select this comedy values. OK. Next add thriller, thriller months sales data. OK. Next add documentary, series values, just I'm selecting documentary values. OK. See like this, just we are creating clustered column individually. Just we need to select one after another. We are adding the data into the charts one after another, but it is a time taking process. So instead of that, we'll do in a simple manner. Just select this, delete it. First select the data from movie genre, months and this complete data except totals. Go to the insert tab, charts, and go to there, select this clustered column chart. Now we'll place here. Okay, for this also we'll do some formatting. Just change the chart title also, sales by genre and months, bold. Okay friends, like this will create cluster column chart. Now here also just we'll do some changes, bold, and this one also do the bold. Okay friends, just we'll do small changes also for this data, like this just will increase and decrease sizes. We'll do the design to represent the data very easily. Now just I'm selecting this data, just go to the chart tools. In the chart tools there is a option called change chart type. Go there and we'll change the chart types also. Look at there, first it was clustered column chart. Now I'm selecting stacked column chart. Okay, if I'm selecting stacked column chart, it is showing complete information, totals by months, and individually also it is showing, like for example, look at there, first comedy, next thriller, documentary, romance, all the values it is showing along with the total values also. Now we'll change this to another chart, like go to the change chart type. This time I'm selecting 100% stacked columns. It is showing like as 100% stacked. Now here also just we'll see the complete information, complete data in this chart. So friends, just we'll create this kind of charts, like bar charts, column charts, stacked charts by using this data. Okay, here just we're taking categories, subcategories. Here also just we're taking genres and months in a single chart by taking stacked columns, so 100% stacked columns or other different charts. Thank you friends.